So here we have the King Koil luxury air mattress. This has a built-in pump. This is the 20-inch model, which is super high and very comfortable. So buying a house, we had a little problem with the truck delivery time, and we needed a couple of these mattresses so that we could sleep in the house and wait for our furniture. So these came in really handy in a pinch. It's packed up real tight and convenient. It's easy to plug in directly into the wall, no separate coils attached, and the air time to fill up is very quick. And I put it so that it wasn't even that firm, because I was just testing it out, and it was already firm enough to lie down, get up, sit up in it, very comfortable. And then I filled it up a little bit more, and it really is a great deal. You know, this ain't the old mattresses back in the day where you had to wait 20 minutes to fill it up and you were all squishy and stuff. This is quality piece, very comfortable, and it will come in handy when guests come over. So just buy this, you won't regret it.